Let us now understand the factors that affect climate. The climate of a place, including heavy rainfall, humidity, hot weather, cold weather, and dryness, is influenced by several important factors. Let me explain the main factors that affect climate. The first factor is location. In India, we have many states, and each state has its own climate. This is because the climate of any country or region depend on its position on earth. Regions that receive more direct sunlight are generally hotter, while places that receive less sunlight are usually cooler. In this way, the location of a place affects its climate. The second factor that affects climate is altitude. Altitude means the height of a place above sea level. Places that are higher above sea level, such as mountains, are usually colder because the temperature decreases with height and they receive less heat. Therefore, the temperature in such places is moderate to cold. The third factor is distance from the sea. Places near the sea usually have a moderate climate with pleasant weather and cool breezes, while places far from the sea experience extreme weather conditions such as very cold winters, very hot summers, and changes in humidity and weather conditions. The fourth factor that affects climate is relief or landforms such as plains, mountains, and plateaus. Mountains can block winds and create colder weather conditions. These landforms affect winds and temperature, which influence the climate. We have discussed the factors influencing climate. Because of these factors, different parts of India experience different types of climate. Do you want to know about the different climatic conditions in India? Let me tell you about some of them. In Rajasthan, Jaisalmer and Bikaner are located in the desert region, so they experience extremely hot weather and receive very little rainfall because the temperature is very high. On the other hand, in Jammu and Kashmir, Dras and Kargil are located in mountainous areas at high altitudes, so they remain extremely cold for most of the year and have low temperatures. This variation in climate is mainly due to landforms. Another example, coastal cities like Mumbai and Kolkata are located near the sea. In Mumbai, the sea helps regulate the temperature, so the climate is not very hot. It is a moderate climate with sea breezes. Similarly, in Kolkata, the weather is also moderate and there is no extreme weather. These areas are also very humid because winds from the sea carry a large amount of moisture. The third example, do you know which place in the world receives the highest rainfall? In India, Mawsynram in Meghalaya receives the highest rainfall. This is because the moisture-laden winds strike the hills and cause heavy rain. In contrast, Jaisalmer in Rajasthan experiences excessive heat and high temperatures. As a result, this area receives very little or almost no rainfall throughout the year because it lies in a dry desert region. This shows how different factors influence the climate of a place.